Welcome back and continuing the news. The government's decision to continue its drawdown of funds from the National Housing Trust NHT to prop up the budget continues to receive criticism. Businessman and PNP Senator Ramon Small Ferguson feels the decision will erode the public's trust in the government. He addressed the situation while speaking in the Upper House on Friday.
When the withdrawals from the National Housing Trust, Mr. President, began years ago, it was strongly opposed by the party that forms the current government. Over a decade after the withdrawals were supposed to end, 10 years, they have conveniently continued over $110 billion, Mr. President, incremental to what was contemplated, have been withdrawn. It's not an issue of rhetoric, it's about consistency. I say I'm going to do this, and then I do something else because it is convenient. If extraordinary measures are justified during a crisis, and we've been hearing that, right? Then they must be reassessed once stability returns. Otherwise, what we introduced as temporary becomes enduring extraction. And when commitments are not honored, Mr. President, confidence in fiscal policy is going to be weakened, right?
Finance Minister Favour Williams told the country the government intends to draw down $57 billion from the NHT in the next 5 years. The government insists the measure is necessary given the hit to the Jamaican economy by Hurricane Melissa.